Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a goal inspired makeup tutorial. If you want to see how I achieve this look, just keep watching. Alright guys, to start I am taking my LA Girl Pro Primer in the color nude and I'm going to place this all over my lid and blend it out with a flat eyeshadow brush. Now I'm going to take this orange shade from my Morphe 350E palette and I'm going to place this all over my lower crease area. Now I'm going to start to deepen the crease a bit. I'm first starting out with this burnt orange shade, followed by this brown shade, and I'm placing this right underneath my crease just to deepen it up a bit. Taking the two darkest brown shades, I am going to pack that on my outer V and I'm just going to blend it into the crease area. Now to blend out any harsh lines, I'm going back in with that fluffy eyeshadow brush without any added product and I'm just going to blend away. Now I am going to take this flat eyeshadow brush and I did spray it with a bit of setting spray. That way when I go into this gold eyeshadow shade, it's going to be very vibrant. I'm not going for a cut crease per se, but I did want the gold eyeshadow to be a little bit more defined on the lid. Alright guys, here I am taking this black eyeshadow from my Take Me to Brazil BH Cosmetics palette and I'm just placing it all over my outer V and blending it in with that gold eyeshadow. Now taking a smudge brush with a little bit of extra added product, I'm just going to define the outer crease just a bit more. I'm not going to take that black all the way in. I'm just smudging the outer V area. Now I'm going to go in with this nude shade and I'm just going to place it on my brow bone and blend it down into my crease area. Alright, to prime I am taking my Black Radiance True Complexion Primer and I'm just going to blend this right into the skin and allow it to get tacky before I apply my foundation. For foundation today, I am using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the color 362 Truffle. Now it looks a bit orange, but once this foundation sets and dries down, it does oxidize and gets a bit darker. Now I'm going to take my Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Amande and I'm going to do a bit of highlighting. So underneath the eye, the bridge of my nose, my chin, the middle of my forehead, and my cupid's bow. Then I'm going to go in with a damp beauty blender and I'm just going to blend this all out. This next step is optional, but I want my under eye area to be a bit more bright, so I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn and I'm just going to add a little bit underneath the eyes and blend that out as well using my damp beauty blender. Once that is blended, I'm going back in with my foundation brush just to buff everything together so that everything flows and looks seamless. Now I'm going in with my Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm going to place this on all the areas where I applied concealer. I'm not going to bake. I'm just going to apply the powder and then press it into my skin. Once I have pressed the powder into my skin, I'm going to take this powder brush and just dust away any excess powder, as well as buff the powder in some more so everything is flawless. Taking my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in the color black, I'm just going to give myself a wing, and I'm just going to take nice small precise strokes so we don't make any mistakes. Now I'm taking the same shades that we applied in our crease area, and I'm just going to smoke out my bottom lash line. Now taking this blue eyeliner from LA Girl, I'm just going to tight line my lower lash line. Here I'm taking my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Deep, and I'm just going to set and blend everything together. Going in with my e.l.f. Contouring Blush and Bronzer palette in the color Turks and Caicos, I'm just going to contour and warm up my face just a bit. Now I'm going to take this Nika New York Contour Duo in the shade ND009, and I'm just going to contour my nose. Here I am taking my Milani Baked Bronzer in the color Glow, and I'm just going to give myself a little bit of highlight. Here I am going to highlight the inner corners of my eye using this Shimmer Champagne color from the same Morphe 350 palette. Alright, for my lips, I'm using my Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the color Devotion, and this completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up and make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.